I'm really happy when I see my friend enjoy a lot tonight. It's mesmerized me and really made my day great. Thank you for joining me. The message that I want to give to all of you folk out there is redeem your time. Time is too short, don't put off. If you want to be at the top of the world, push yourself a little every day. One day you'll reach at the top. So in this process, redeem your time. To all my family, to all my friends, to all my fellow musicians, my fellow counselors, my classmates, thank you so much. I don't have anything to give you. This song is just a token of love dedicated for you. Thank you for being part of my birthday.
Thanks for wishing me a happy birthday. Here a token of my appreciation. Hey, I just want to sing a song to say, hey, hey. Those of you who wish me happy birthday, thanks for wishing me a happy birthday. It's been a good day, da da dum, da dee da. It's been a good day, da da dum, da dee da. It's been a good day.